I'm back again. Today we are cooking some mince and some peas. Oh, so delicious. We are going to use carrots, some green pepper, or you can use the red. Then the chili, onion, garlic, and ginger, tomatoes, and then tomato paste, and then peas, of course. So we're starting with my meat. I'm using chicken, but you can use pork or you can use also beef, whatever you want. So I was supposed to start with putting onion in some oil and just fry it a bit and then add the meat. But guys, my mind was away, far away. So you can do that instead of doing what I did. Just start with onions in the cooking oil. Then when the onions are done, add in some meat. Yeah. So my means, I did not buy it like this. I used the chopping board and the knife to do it by myself. Yeah. Improvising, right? So when your meat is now no longer red, yeah, because yeah, I can't say that it will become brown because it's chicken. So now I went ahead and add some garlic and ginger. You've fried for like 30 seconds, and then you add in your bell pepper, like either red or green, and then your carrot and the chili if you want to eat it. And then I also went ahead and add in some thyme, or you can use rosemary. I used rosemary because it was dry. I crushed it with my fingers, and then I added in some salt, chicken bouillon. You can use Maggi. Then I put in some you put in some oregano, and then I used a curry powder cube, but you can use turmeric. I used the curry powder cube, just one too small because I didn't have the turmeric. And this is at this point you can also go ahead and add in your paprika, but my paprika was finished. So I thought I had paprika, but I realized that it's finished. So yeah, we added reta. I'm sorry for that. I apologize for that because I told someone to get it for me. Yeah. And especially when you're using chicken meat, so make sure that you have paprika. Yeah. So we're cooking our carrots until when they are a bit soft, then we add in our tomatoes. So you don't have to cook your carrots until it's fully cooked because we still have time to cook. Yeah. So also after adding tomatoes, I went ahead and add my tomato paste immediately because I want this tomato paste to be cooked. I don't want it to smell and cook. I don't want to smell and cook tomato paste in the food later. Yeah. So that's why I added in my tomato paste with the tomatoes. Yeah. And since the tomatoes, I've chopped them in like very small, so it's going to cook at the same time with the tomato paste. And I also added in the paprika. Did you see that? Yeah, this is the point when I added in the paprika. I've already apologized for that. Yeah, I'd say that I didn't have the paprika, so yeah, I should have added in when I was adding the other spices. So the tomatoes are now done. They are cooked, and so is the tomato paste. So I also went ahead and added in some peas, our peas. So reminding you the peas you have, it's already boiled. You boil it before, and you also add in a bit of salt when you're boiling it. So I also went ahead, like after frying the mince and the peas for like a minute, I went ahead and adding some water and a little bit of black pepper. And if you don't have the powdered black pepper, you can use the crushed black pepper. Yeah, same. So if you don't want a lot of soup in your mince and peas, just don't add too much water. But me, I will add more water, trust me. I also went ahead and add in a bit of salt because it needed just a pinch of salt. Yeah. So at this point, you're going to cover and cook for like 10 minutes, and that's it. It will be done. Yeah, in no time. So I would like to say a thank you, big thank you to people who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm very happy because it was so hard to get to 1K subscribers. Honestly, after how many years, I'm so grateful. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So yeah, that's it. My mince is done. I added in more water. That's me. I don't like dry food. Yeah. Thank you so much, and that's it. Very easy and delicious. See you next Friday.